So anyway, it was me and Lenny, right? We were hanging out with Benny.
Hey, sweetheart.
Ooh.
You know, I suggest you wear that outfit with boots instead of flats.
What?
You know, I like it with the flats. I can see what you're saying, but it's more of your suggestion just to try it out, you know. Either way, it looks good.
Yeah,
Really? Thanks.
You got it. So, Lenny,
what was he doing? Hey, beautiful. I like your shirt. Color really brings out your eyes.
Hey, fuck off. Who do you think you are?
Whoa, hey, lady, It's just a compliment, you know? I'm just saying that I like your shirt, that's all. Yeah, what's that all about? We're not here to make you feel bad about yourself.
Oh. Are you hitting on me?
No.
Well, why not?
What are we talking about here? I'm a family man. Yeah, I got a wife and I got 4 kids at home. Larry here, he goes to church every Christmas.
Even on Easter sometimes, you know that, huh?
Okay, yeah. Toodaloo. You look good, though. You look good.
Hey. Whoa, lady, you're gonna ruin those shoes if you keep walking too fast.
What do you care?
Hey, I'm just saying, they're nice shoes. You know, they really bring your outfit together.
Yeah, and I really like your earrings match the same pattern as your dress. Like you said, it brings the ensemble together as a whole.
Wow, thanks. Have you ever thought about wearing a scarf with that outfit? And you look so good in orange. Not a lot of people can pull that off.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know,
No, she's right.
She's right.
I got it.
Hey, look at you with your flattery. Ah, you're funny.
We should probably get back to work.
No, I don't think so.